All right, we got the 2007 Silverado extended cab 1500. It's gonna be our new project. Wow, spider webs. Haven't touched this car in about a year. More spider webs and a huge mess. Yeah. During his final days, we're just kind of throwing stuff in there. But now we got a good running daily car, so put some time and some money to our beloved 07 Silverado, the 5.3 Vortex. Lowered 24s. Gotta get a whole new rear bumper. We might just paint it silver again. Well, we got a whole new light for it already. We need to do some repairs there. So I was thinking we just might go with the, we just might murder this thing out too. It's not too sure yet. Obviously, I always loved the original look, the chrome bumper and all that. Well, if I murder this thing out, it's gonna be murdered out. Looks like a beater. Not though, she's still a really nice truck. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it back to life though. I'm gonna keep you guys tuned on this. I'm really excited for this truck. We're gonna do all new internals. We're gonna refreshen the block. Shoot, we might do high volume oil pump, a bunch of different parts. We're gonna update videos probably weekly, you know, just seeing how it goes. But we're gonna try to get this done pretty quick. I want to say in about 2 months, just have fully running. We're gonna do a full engine rebuild and a transmission rebuild. We're gonna send the transmission to get rebuilt. We're gonna do the engine ourselves. We got a full re-geared rear axle in it already. Brand new tires, brand new brakes. I'm gonna try and get some new disc brakes for the front, because we're gonna try and get a little bit more power out of the motor this time around. I'm gonna go for like 450 to the wheels, right? So, you know, probably like a LS7 cam, something like that, and a little bit more go fast parts and exhaust, things like that. But yeah, I'm excited for this build. Stick around, like, subscribe, follow me, guys. We're still making space for her to go in, so as soon as we have that down, we're gonna start pulling the engine and transmission out, and then that'll probably be the next video. It's just doing that engine tranny, pulling that out, and then after that, the whole engine breakdown, then putting it back together. So we're gonna do like a couple videos, a series of it. Yeah, guys, like and subscribe. Stay tuned. We're gonna do a video on the lifted truck over there soon. It's a 06 Classic with the cat eyes. But yeah, you guys like LS trucks, Silverados, stick around. We're gonna do some fun stuff with this. I'm just cleaning it out. right now, but I just got a bunch of tools in here. I always do that. Just leave a bunch of tools everywhere. A lot of it's a mess. I forgot the seat. That's broken. And just a bunch of crap in here. Oh, I forgot. See, there's a lot of stuff I forgot I had in here. And there's just a bunch of questionable napkins. Look at that, michelada sauce. Very questionable napkins. Just kidding. Yeah, it's just a mess in here, dude. I'm just gonna throw everything in here away. Nobody mixes everything in here. Anyways, I'm pretty sure my daughter don't miss this at all. Yeah, just all kinds of questionable things in here. I'm gonna get it cleaned out. Just to get a working space at least. Not really gonna do much to the interior. We already got shards. I don't want to mess with the system or put like one of those touchy ones. It's a little tacky. I'll take the old school. And we had no power, so I gotta open it from the other side. Always fun. Working on cars that need to be worked on. Instead of go fast parts. But we're actually gonna make a go fast engine, so super excited for that. I'm not gonna go too fast. I don't wanna blow nobody's doors off. This. So the reason we're building this up is because we're gonna tow stuff with it. Brand new. Jesus Christ. Alright, so we're gonna get this cleaned up. Alright, so I got my pops to help me push her in there. And luckily we were on a little bit of a slump, so she went right in. Just cleaning out some stuff. That's why it looks like a mess, but she's in there now. So we got this little battery charger. I'm gonna hook it up right now, see if we can charge the battery. Without any problemos. Alright, so we found ourselves what we needed. 10 milli. And we got it all plugged in. Now it says it's charging, so we let that charge for a while. And then I'm gonna hook it back up, see what it does. We were doing regular maintenance on this, the battery's newer. But it's just at 350,000 miles, it's time for a new engine. So we're gonna get a new engine in here at rebuilt at like 100,000, so 200,000 on that tranny. Need to rebuild that too. So this is where we're at. All right, so we took a little break while it was charging, but I guess it's still charging. It's gonna take a while. We got a lot of stuff that we need to organize before we start pulling any of this stuff out. That way we don't get nothing missing from this or mixed up in any of it. So we're actually gonna bag up a lot of this stuff. It's just from like past breakdowns of other cars that we've had, mostly Volkswagens. But yeah, we're gonna get rid of a bunch of this stuff. Just kind of see where we can store it, or maybe we might just throw it away. But yeah, if anybody's looking for some Volkswagen parts, hit me up. Might have something for you guys. What the hell? No mami. This thing's been charging forever. Let's see if we got any power now, because this is crazy. Left it charging overnight. It just don't make no sense. All wonder if you know how it is Tokyo, Fast and Furious. I might just watch that movie. Shit, that ain't the ride. It's the rider. Okay, battery charge maintaining. That light flashed, so let's see. A ver qué pasa aquí. A ver. Vamos a poner esto. Should put the ground on first. Is it ground first and then? Oh, fuck it, no. Se me electruco la verga. Ay, da la verga. Ay, güey. Oh. Okay, power lock still working. Yeah. Oh. It does work. It just says still charging though. ¿Qué pedo con esa cosa, güey? Let's see, hood open. Yeah, we know the hood's open. Change oil soon. Venga, su madre. Damn it. 360. Y se me movió la verga. Fuel range. It still got gas in it. Look at that. Over 9 million gallons used. Charge time 61. Let's see. Use the charge. Anyways, a ver qué pedo, güey. A ver si prende. A ver qué pedo no trae. Nada, ni mergas. Look how dirty this shit is. Oh, man, this way. Ni mergas. Alright. Oh. Is it still sub? It's still subbing?
Every time.
The sub went out. Fuck it, a la verga. Ay, güey, el aire acondicionado. It's fucking cold. My beep is cold. Alright, so we have power. Battery's good, but we're having no click. So I don't know. I should change the starter. Let's see what happens. Or should we just put this? Change the starter and it starts working? No, but she's long overdue for an overhaul, dog. Like, long overdue. So, it's definitely one of those things where I would like to just change the starter and have it start up and vámonos a la verga, right? But at the same time, it's kind of like I already know it's more than just a starter. It's more than that. So, fucking. So ahorita nada más la vamos a limpiar más. We're gonna get it cleaned up, get all the engine cleaned up. What I mean by that, get rid of all these fucking layers and layers of dust. And just probably start wrenching away on this, start pulling stuff. We're having a little bonfire, getting rid of all this fire hazard. burning all this stuff for the next couple of days. Okay, so I decided that first, these next couple of days, I'm just gonna spend cleaning up as much as I can. That way, when it comes to the build, I can just focus on the build 100%. So I'm gonna make sure I leave everything top-notch clean. That way I don't have to worry about that for at least another 2 weeks, and then you know how it goes, house maintenance. But yeah, like, subscribe, guys. You know, follow us through this journey. I'm gonna try and put something out every single week for you guys. Like I said, I got some really crazy ideas for it. Which way we're gonna go, I'm not too sure, but yeah, I definitely want to show you guys, you know, what it takes to do a build, especially someone like myself, a family man. I got my 2 girls. I got my job. I'm a salesman at Chevrolet. So, you know, juggling all that, I'm still going to make the time to make this happen, to make us a really sick truck. So, I mean, I hope some of you guys stick around. Like and subscribe. Like I said, any comments, any support, we appreciate it. We'll see you guys real soon. Turn on your notifications for the next video to come out. I can't tell you a specific date, but I'm definitely going to try and shoot for 2 weeks, maybe a week. That way, you know, we can keep this ball rolling.
Yeah, that's all, folks. Oh, oops, that's all, folks.